So magandang araw Kabole. Sa video nito pag-uusapan po natin si Cedric Bearfield Kabola. At ito nga pong Blackwater Elite. Pag-usapan din natin ito pong si Christian Stanhardinger kasi nagsalita na po siya sa mga talo pong nakukuha ngayon ng Terra Firma Jeep. So hindi pa nakasubscribe po, pindot naman po yung subscription button. Comment muna tayo ng mga fans. Dante Capul, very nice idol. Sana i-follow nyo rin po ako. So i-follow po si Kabola. Jello Carian, si Arian, I still believe it's the chances of rain or shine. Bayan ng rain or shine. So tumadami na talaga ng fans po ng rain or shine. Yan po. User FD, number 1 ko sa Team SMB. Ronald Berbusidad, pa-shoutout sir again. Thank you po for the sustained support, Sir Berbusidad. Jason De Leon, TNT the number 1 ko, mag-champion. Yan, fan naman po ng TNT. Believer siya po ng TNT. Junicio Mercado, masama ang laro ng Terra Firma. Hindi dahil sa trade ng Ginebra. Ito ay dahil wala si Javi Gomez de Liano. Kaya ang talaro ni Pinger at si Stan. At ang wala ay papalit sa posisyon ni Javi. Sabi niya, actually hindi. Kabon, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin yung pagkawala ni Javi talaga yung main pa na reason na kanilang mga talo. Kabola, ano po. So, it's just that, yeah, of course, big role si Javi. Pero kita mo kasi yung demeanor, Kabola, the way they play, talagang obvious kung anong nangyayari, Kabola. At yun nga po, no, nagsalita sa Stanhardinger sa winless current po na run po nila, Kabola. And in-explain niya, it's always a bit complicated to adjust to a new team. You don't want to come in and out of nowhere, change certain things, but management talk to me and the coach talk to me. I need to be more vocal, sabi ng Kabola. First, of course, it is good that the management and that the coaches are talking to him. It's good that they are doing things that will look like they are a legit team, di ba? Pero first things first, if they want to win, they need to replace their import, di ba? And I still, mismong coach na yung nagsalita noon na ang pangit ang laro ni Esther, pero up to this point, hindi pa napapalitan si Esther. And my question is, bakit, Kabola? And I think the reason is quite obvious. Kasi siguro pagpapalitan nila ito, Kabola, additional expense yung magiging sweldo ng papalit sa kanya. Although of course, they already replace quickly yung unang import po nila. Kung maralo si Brandon Edwards ata yung pangalan nun. So, medyo mind-boggling. Pero, that could be the reason, Kabola, na dahil parang dalawa na siguro yung pinapasweldo ng import niyan, ayaw na siguro ng management at tatlo pa. Pero overall, they're playing really bad, Kabola. Ang pangit ng image nila. Ganyan pa po yung laruan nila, Kabola. So, hindi ko na rin alam. Hindi ko na rin po ma-explain. Ang Cedric Bearfield and the Blackwater Elite, Kabola, they are playing really well. They just went for their third straight win, Kabola, against NLEX. It was a good win, Kabola. It was a decisive win. And again, iba talaga pag nakakita ka ng magaling ng import. And Blackwater found one, Kabola. And Bearfield, of course, playing very well. And even the other players, di ba, Kabola? They're slowly but surely showing up, Kabola. And nagmumukhang very talented team na itong Blackwater Elite, Kabola. Nandyan si Christian David, underrated sophomore. Troy Rosario is there, Kabola. Siya top 30 player in the league, Kabola. So overall, Blackwater is kinda looking legit, Kabola. Speaking of Blackwater, it's all about Bearfield, Kabola. Kita nyo siguro yung meme, no? Kung saan parang nakatingin, Kabola, na parang excited. Itong si Al Francis Chua dito kay Bearfield, Kabola. That's the meme, Kabola. And of course, alam naman natin yung meaning nun. May chance kaya nakunin po, Kabola, ng SMC Bearfield. Of course, the chance is there. Especially na maayos na po yung relasyon po ng MVP Group at SMC. So, we rank po the 3 main SMC teams, Kabola, according to the likelihood na sa kanila mapupunta. Number 3 ko will be San Miguel Beermen. Although they are actually that team that was rumored during the draft, Kabola, that are interested to get Bearfield. Pero looking kasi at their current rotation of card, super deep pa rin kasi talaga Kabola, na kung yung management ng SMC, maliban kung pumalya po sila dito. Pero hindi kasi yan pag nag-champion sila, di parang mas lilit ulit yung chance na mag-upgrade sila, diba? So kaya number 3 ko San Miguel. Number 2 ko will be Magnolia. Magnolia is clearly the team of the SMC that badly needs Bearfield, Kabola. Even though improved na po yung kanila pong outside shooting, Kabola, hindi pa rin sila even above average kapag sa league mo siya i-assess. So getting a Bearfield, getting someone that can score a lot will really benefit them. Pero number 1 ko dyan, Ginebra pa din. Yes, they just acquired Holt, pero si Holt kasi, Kabola, mukhang wing talaga wing forward po yung lalaruin niya with Ginebra, Kabola. And si RJ Barrientos, of course, yun nga, medyo so-so po yung performance niya ngayon. Pero pwede naman silang magsabay kasi, and Scottie Ken, of course, pwede rin magsabay because of his ability to rebound. So overall, I think Ginebra is the most likely. Kung makabala sa palagay mo, sino pa yung SMC team ang most likely makakuha dito kay Bearfield? Comment na po sa baba.